Okay, what I'm about to say might come out of nowhere, but just bear with me. DiGiorno Pizza is amazing at Twitter. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. I know it's completely out of left field, but some brands could take a cue from the DiGiorno Twitter account. The account has always been funny, but got a lot of traction when it tweeted along to NBC's Sound of Music Live, starting with, "Can't believe pizza isn't one of her favorite things, shake my head," and "The kitchen is alive with the smell of fresh baked pizza." Then they actually just live tweeted the show, with comments like, "I don't think those mountains are real, you guys." And this burn, "Yo, Rolf, I haven't seen an outfit that ugly since never," with the hashtag DiGiorno you didn't. But in the midst of all this fun and attention, scandal struck and DiGiorno dropped its dairy farm after allegations of animal abuse. Instead of using a robot to blindly respond to every mention, the brand personally responded to every tweet. Yeah, personally. They used names and slightly changed up the tweets so it's clear it was a person and not an automated response, like Progressive Insurance. Another reason it's great to have a human running your Twitter? Tweets like, "I love it when you call me Big Pizza," but 60, now you know, pass it on.